Hello everyone and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. It's cozy soup season and today we are warming up things with a wholesome bowl of hearty vegetable soup, packed with flavor and comfort in every spoonful. So let's get started and make this deliciously comforting soup together. Well, my ingredients are all ready. I have 3 finely chopped garlic cloves, or you can use about a teaspoon of garlic, 1 medium-sized chopped onions, half a cup of chopped carrots, half cup chopped beans, and half cup shredded cabbage. You can also add any other veggies of your choice. Now let's start cooking. Heat a pot and add a small cube of butter or a teaspoon of ghee or olive oil, whichever you prefer. Once it smells, add the garlic and saute until fragrant. Add the chopped onions and cook until they turn soft and slightly golden. It's time to add all the veggies. Add beans, carrot and cabbage and mix them well. Add about 1½ teaspoons of salt and give it another good mix. Let the veggies cook on medium heat for a minute. Now chop 1 small or medium-sized tomato. Add the chopped tomato and cook everything together for about 2 minutes. Stir the veggies once after 2 minutes. Now it's time to add water. Pour 4 cups of water. Add some freshly ground black pepper and corn kernels. Mix well, cover with the lid and let it come to a boil. Now to give our soup a little thickness, let's make a cornflour slurry. Take a 1/4 cup of water and add a little over a teaspoon of cornflour. I'm adding just enough to give a soup a slight silky texture, but if you prefer it thicker, you can go for 2 or 3 teaspoons instead. Mix it well until smooth, then pour it into the soup and stir nicely. Next, add a pinch of red chili powder, chili flakes, or even some peri-peri for a bit of it, or skip it if you like it mild. Let the soup simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes. After that, add a few chopped spring onions, turn off the heat and remove the pot. To wrap it up, stir in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce for that extra depth of flavor. Serve hot, and if you like, sprinkle a little more black pepper and salt. Enjoy the simple, super comforting and delicious vegetable soup, perfect for a cozy evening or to satisfy any sudden craving. Do try out this amazing recipe and let me know your thoughts in comments below. I would love to hear from you all. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Gags Kitchen. I've got more cozy winter recipes coming your way, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in next one.